Bean. So you'll notice...
Stop!
Shh, Bean, shh.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Connor.
And I'm Dana.
We're here just off the 33 highway outside of Miners Oaks, and we're about to hike the Cozy Dell Trail. So the beginning of this trail starts off right across the freeway, or the highway, just before the bridge, and you start to climb up the canyon immediately. So you do get some elevation right away, so be prepared for a bit of a climb as you first start your hike.
The Cozy Dell Trail is an out and back trail, but it connects to a Forest Service road at the end, and so if you want to extend your hike, you can continue on along the Forest Service road, and that'll take you to some other trails.
Back in December of 2017, the Thomas Fire burned through this area, so as you're hiking, you will see a lot of regrowth, but also a lot of burned brush, scorched earth, and you can still smell that there was a fire that came through this area. One thing to keep in mind in areas that have just been burned is that poison oak does grow back really rapidly and often fills in the area that brush previously grew in. So keep an eye out, especially on the beginning of this trail. There's a lot of poison oak along the sides, and it is growing big and large.
Well, we just got to the first high point along the trail. It's about 9/10 of a mile in. And from up here, you get some pretty nice views out towards Miners Oaks and Ojai, and then the Matilaha Canyon.
Well, this is the trail, and it continues on this way, and as you can see, it's a little bit brushy out here. And since it's damp today, it's also super wet because there's water on all the plants.
Get it, baby. So we're here at the second high point along the Cozy Dell Trail. The first one is about 9/10 of a mile in on the hike, and this second one comes up a little bit faster. We're only about 1 mile and 2/10 into our hike.
The Cozy Dell Trail is located in the Los Padres National Forest, which makes it a multi-use trail. So you can see mountain bikers, horses out here, as well as lots of people with their dogs, like us.
We've just reached the Forest Service road, which marks the end of the Cozy Dell Trail. It's about 1 mile and 8/10 to get here, and it's an out and back trail if you decide to turn around here.
The Cozy Dell Trail is typically rated as a moderate trail, and having just gone to the Forest Service road and starting on our way back, I can definitely agree with that. While there is some immediate climb right from the beginning, it's not too steep, it's pretty gradual. And so we feel like this is a good trail to bring family on and friends, especially since if you're not looking to go a long distance either, you can get to some good views pretty quickly from the start of the trail. So we're just about back to the car, and it's been 3.6 miles since we started on this out and back trail. Overall, this is a pretty fun trail because you get to hike up and down through the foothills. And because of that, no one part of it is too strenuous, but you do get a lot of beautiful views. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. And if you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing. Thank you.
Thank you.